Hi folks, I'm Max.
And I'm Yana.
And today we'll talk about personal top 3 credit cards without annual fees.
We are recording this video because our friends are often asking us how we stay so on budget when traveling and how we use points to stay in hotels for free.
We explained this a couple of times and thought it was helping more people with exploring their options and finding credit cards with the most benefits. So here we are! As long as you can use a credit card responsibly, there are endless advantages to using a credit card. They offer rewards, protection and convenience.
When used responsibly, credit cards can be great for your financial well-being. You can be earning money just by using your credit card. Our first favorite is Chase Freedom Flex credit card.
You will earn 200 cashback after you spend just 500 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. They also offer a 0% interest APR for 15 months, as well as 5% cashback in bonus categories.
You are also always earning 3% on dining at restaurants, including takeout and eligible delivery services, 3% at drugstore purchases, and 1% on all other purchases.
Our second one is Hilton Honors American Express card. You will earn 80,000 Hilton Honors bonus points after you spend 1,000 in purchases on the card within your first 3 months of card membership.
You can use 80,000 points to purchase 2 nights in Manhattan or around 4 hotel nights somewhere in Wisconsin. Credit card also offers such important benefits like car rental loss and damage insurance, extended warranty, purchase protections, and no fee on foreign transactions. And also Hilton always waives resort fees when you are booking a room with points.
And of course you will get 7 points per dollar spent at a participating hotel or resort within the Hilton portfolio. Also 5 points at restaurants, supermarkets, gas stations, and 3 points on any other purchase.
Our third favorite is Capital One Quicksilver Rewards card. You will earn a one-time $200 cash bonus once you spend $500 on purchases within 3 months from account opening.
Card also has important benefits as no foreign transaction fees, extended warranty, and travel accident insurance.
You will also get unlimited 1.5% cashback on any purchases.
An important reminder:
after you open a new credit card account, don't forget to set up auto payment to avoid late payments and as a result negative impact on your credit score. Thank you for watching this video.
Smash that like button and subscribe if you like it.
Hit dislike if you don't.
What are your favorite credit cards? Let us know in comments.
Bye.
Bye.